The pros and cons of having ghee every day. 1. Should you have ghee daily? Ghee has remained a staple in Indian cuisine for centuries, adding a delightful flavor and potential health benefits to meals. This traditional clarified butter, derived from cow milk, is often regarded as a healthier alternative to regular butter. The debate surrounding ghee versus butter has persisted over time. While ghee boasts an array of potential health advantages, it's essential to exercise caution and consume it in moderation to avoid potential adverse effects. Let's explore the pros and cons of incorporating ghee into your regular diet. 2. The good part. Ghee is renowned for its potential benefits to the body due to its healthy fats and protein content. This clarified butter, derived from milk fats, is considered safe for heart health when consumed in moderation. Research suggests that incorporating a small amount of ghee into your daily diet can contribute to overall well-being, promote stronger bones, and enhance gut health. Additionally, studies have indicated that the nutrients present in ghee may have a positive impact on stomach ulcers and various digestive ailments. Furthermore, ghee is known to act as a natural laxative, supporting better bowel function, and is often utilized as an effective remedy for constipation. According to Ayurvedic texts, ghee has been recognized as a valuable ingredient in various ancient medicinal preparations. Its benefits extend beyond consumption and are also known to positively impact skin and hair health. Ghee has been found to have remarkable effects when applied topically, including its potential to alleviate burns. Many individuals choose to use ghee as a natural moisturizer, harnessing its superior properties compared to conventional cosmetics. Embracing ghee for skincare needs can yield impressive results. 3. The dark side. Excessive consumption of ghee can have adverse effects on heart health due to its high content of saturated fats. It may contribute to the clogging of arteries and should be consumed in moderation to mitigate such risks. Individuals with fatty liver conditions are advised to limit or avoid the intake of ghee due to its fat-dense composition. It's important to note that the concentrated fat content in ghee can increase the risk of obesity and negatively impact levels of bad cholesterol. It is recommended to exercise caution and maintain a balanced approach to ghee consumption for optimal well-being. 4. When should we avoid consuming ghee? It is advisable to refrain from consuming ghee when experiencing bloating, acidity, or indigestion. Due to its high fat and cholesterol content, ghee consumption may increase the risk of heart disorders and cancer in senior citizens. To safeguard their heart health, it is recommended that the elderly limit their intake of clarified butter. Ghee should also be avoided during episodes of diarrhea, as it has natural laxative properties. However, when consumed in moderation, ghee can contribute to improved bone health, alleviate joint pains, and offer overall health benefits. It's important to strike a balance and make informed choices regarding ghee consumption based on individual circumstances. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.